Hi, Kimberly Barton from KINETIC Realty. It's a cold day today, and I wanted to share something that is important for sellers to do before they list their house. I call it getting the stink out. A lot of sellers are not aware that the olfactory senses are there to protect the human race from dangerous situations and things that could be toxic or unhealthy. And a lot of times a buyer will come into your house and not realize why they don't like it, because the subtle ability for the olfactory senses to pick up on certain smells in the house will go into the brain, and then the brain reacts. A lot of buyers will not be able to tell you why they didn't like a house. Now, one of the things that sellers often overlook is the fact that bed linens have to be clean, because dirty bed linens stink. Yes, some people don't know this, but I wanted to share this with you because dirty bed linens can really be foul. In fact, I'm not just talking about bed linens that you sleep on. I'm actually speaking in reference to those that some people only clean maybe once a year or never. That would be the outer bed linens, shams, decorative pillows, coverlets, and comforters. These things hold stinkiness, and stinkiness does not help a house sell quickly. In fact, a lot of times their stinkiness can repulse people. The other day I was showing $1 million homes to buyers who are not tuned into their olfactory senses the way I am. And as we went up to the second level where all the bedrooms were, we were all assaulted by the stinkiness of dirty bed linens. Not the under bed linens, although we didn't pull down the sheets and smell them. These were from the outer bed linens, because you could really smell them as you were walking in the bedroom. Wash your bed linens, wash your comforter, wash your coverlet, get those decorative pillows laundered or get rid of them. The shams, all of that stuff, they need to be clean. And I don't mean covered up with smells like the Glade plugins and air wicks. I mean clean. That means biologically clean of the body's smell, all of the dead skin, and all of those little critters that run around all night long eating the dead skin. Gross topic, but listen, get the stink out before you list your home. Happy selling.